Experiencing YouTube issues on your Samsung Smart TV? You're not alone. Common causes include outdated TV software, a weak internet connection, a full app cache, regional restrictions, or simply the TV's hardware struggling with the latest YouTube updates. This video will guide you through troubleshooting, focusing on the most common culprits and how to fix them. The first step in troubleshooting YouTube issues on your Samsung TV is to check your internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for streaming videos without buffering or interruptions. YouTube has specific internet speed requirements for smooth playback. For standard definition videos, you need at least 3 megabits per second. For high definition content, you'll need at least 7 megabits per second to avoid buffering issues. To check if your internet speed meets these requirements, run a speed test. You can do this directly on your Samsung TV through the network settings, or use another device connected to the same Wi-Fi network, such as your phone or computer. If your speed test shows speeds below the recommended levels, try troubleshooting. First, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can resolve temporary connectivity issues. If that doesn't help, contact your internet service provider to check for any outages or upgrade options in your area. Outdated firmware is a major cause of app issues. To update, go to your TV's settings, usually under Support or About TV, then select Software Update and Update Now. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet during the update. Keeping your firmware current ensures compatibility with the latest apps and features. Accumulated data can corrupt the YouTube app. To clear the cache and data, navigate to Apps in your TV's settings. Find YouTube in the Apps list. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will reset the app and often resolves playback errors and freezing issues. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reinstalling the app. First, uninstall YouTube from the Apps section in your TV's settings. Then, go to the Samsung App Store and reinstall it. Make sure you download the latest version. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation of the app. Sometimes, account-related issues can block YouTube access. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Google account on your TV. Also, verify that your TV's region settings are correct, as regional restrictions may prevent access to certain content or even the app itself. First, verify your Google account login. Navigate to Settings, then General, System Manager, and Samsung Account to confirm your details. Next, check your region settings. Go to Settings, General, Location, or Region, and ensure it matches your actual location. If your Samsung TV is from before 2020, hardware limitations are likely causing YouTube issues. Older models typically have only 1 GB of RAM and limited processing power, which struggle with YouTube's modern features, updates, and high-quality streaming. YouTube is optimized for newer TVs with at least 2 GB RAM and 4K capabilities. Google plans to phase out support for older non-4K TVs by 2027, making issues more common. As a workaround, consider using an external streaming device like a Fire TV Stick or Roku. These devices have modern hardware and provide better YouTube compatibility for older Samsung TVs. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and YouTube still isn't working, it might be time to contact Samsung support for model-specific assistance. In some cases, the TV's hardware may simply be too outdated, and upgrading to a newer model is the best long-term solution.